Okay, now I think there should be all components for this project, and we can do this last rules and DRC check. So we can click from here. Here we have different rules for this board manufacturing, and if we click this, we can see all the errors we are getting now. So first we have this drill size error. If we click here, we can see it's pointing there. So I guess this drill size is too small here and we are getting this error. So in this DRC we have set minimum drill size is 0.35. So we can go and change these. So now we are in this library and we can select this footprint from here. So it's this one. And here if we check this, so the drill size is only 0.2, which is too small for DRC, so we can change all these. So now I have changed all these, so they are all this 0.35. And now if we save this, and then we have to go back this schematic, so this updates this component. Now we are in this schematic and we can search for this component, and if we double click this, it should update this, and then we can save this, and then we can go back to this PCB, and now these real size errors are gone. Now there is left this air wire errors. So I think it should be connected here, but we can try to delete this if there is some mistake. Okay, so now that's gone. Then we can click here. So there is this view we are missing. Okay, so we have to connect this also. And now there is only one left. We can click here. This is looking a little bit weird. I think there might be some mistake in schematic because it is saying that we should connect this resistor to here. So it's just shortcutting this resistor. So I had to check what is wrong in schematic. But there we have solved all those errors.